Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a fun day because I am going to be doing a Blueland sustainable cleaning products unboxing. This video is not sponsored in any way. I'm not being paid in any way for this video, but I am going to be answering like some of the questions that I saw on their website and talking about things like that. I obviously have not tried them yet. I'm just unboxing them in this video, but if you do want to see me try them out and to see more sustainable videos and other videos similar to that area, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up at the end if you do enjoy it. So anyway, I don't want to do a huge intro, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing. A couple weeks ago for Earth Day, I did a video called 7 Easy Ways to Save the Planet. And in that video, I talked about getting rid of more of my plastic usage. And I talked about wanting to get this product, not specifically this one, I just wanted to get the like glass bottles that help reduce the need for plastic. So I'll have that linked up above if you want to check it out. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to afford it with everything going on, and my mom surprised me and sent it to me, so I'm really grateful. So thank you so much, Mom. I'm so excited to start using these. And anyway, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is the box that it came in. Whoa! So it says, Blueland, the future of clean has arrived. It's got a piece of hair on it. Better for you, better for the planet is what it says. And then when you open it up, it says refill is the new recycle. And then down here is all of the bottles. So this set, if you wanted to get it, I believe is $39. So it's really not that bad at all. So it comes with the multi-surface. This is the foaming hand soap, glass and mirror, and then bathroom. And they're really nice because they say the label right on it. So you can't really see, but it says bathroom right there. And then I also like that they're color coded to match with your tablet, so you don't get them mixed up in any bottles, you're not confused. And the next thing I really like about these is the actual container. So they said that it's made with acrylic, not glass, which I really like because it says that they're shatterproof and they also don't leak over time, or not leach over time, which is really, really nice. So these are super, super nice, and I'm so excited to fill them up and start using them because they're so, so beautiful. I really, really love them. So this is what they look like. And so then it comes with these little packs down here at the bottom. So basically how this works is you take the tablet and you put it into the bottle filled with water. I think you fill the water up to this line, which is also really convenient that you don't have to measure it out. Let me see here what it says. Yeah, use warm or hot water to fill your forever bottle to the line. Drop in 1 tablet, wait for it to dissolve, then put on the nozzle and get cleaning. So it's super, super easy. These are what the tablets look like. So glass and mirror, we've got bathroom. Again, they're all color coded, which is super nice. Foaming hand and multi-surface. And these tablets, I believe, are $2 each, and you can get them on a subscription service, so it actually ends up being cheaper if you decide to do it that way. You can also do these all individually as well if you did want to try out the products. But I do think that the kit is a pretty good deal because you get literally all of this for $40. They also had one that was like just the cleaning stuff and not the hand soap, that was like $30, I think. So it's actually a good deal to get this because the hand soap itself is like $16 if you're getting the bottle and a couple of tablets. So it's actually like a really good deal to just go ahead for the big one. But if we do end up liking it, we're probably gonna get another one for the bathroom, or maybe just more tablets to use in the bathroom. But I'm definitely really excited to try it out because I would love to switch over all of my products eventually, like my dish soap and my shampoo and conditioner, my body wash. I just want to be as plastic free as possible. So yeah, this is my first step, so thanks Mom for sending it to me. I'm really excited to try it out, and I'm really excited to share with you guys how I enjoy it. So please be sure to subscribe and follow along if you would like to see how it ends up going. I might do it for my vlog this week, I'm not really sure yet, but I'm really excited to try it out. So I will let you guys know how that goes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. This is what it looks like one more time. I also read like a lot of stuff online, like a lot of frequently asked questions about the products. So they're like all natural. They are not certified organic, but they say that a lot of their products are organic. And they're leach free, they're made with acrylic. It's owned by a woman, an Asian woman, so I like that I get to support different diversities and women. And it was also on the show Shark Tank, so that is really cool as well to have something that was shown on Shark Tank. So I'm really excited to try it out. They say that the products are not antibacterial, but they do use a lot of surfactants, is that how you say it? Which basically lift the bacteria and the viruses off the counter so you can wipe them away, or when you're washing your hands, it lifts them off the surface of your hands so they wash down the drain. And they've done a ton of studies of why this is actually really good for your health, because sometimes if you use too many antibacterial or antiviral products on your counters and on your hands and everything else, you're not getting healthy bacteria that you need in your life to help cleanse you and to nourish you and everything else that healthy bacteria can do for you. So I'm excited to try them out, see how this goes. I can't wait to see how they smell. So I'm just so excited, guys. I've been wanting to move towards more sustainable packaging a lot. Oh, speaking of sustainable, I read online that these are compostable if you wanted to compost your packaging. These are compostable. The boxes unfortunately are not, but they are recyclable, and I just think that's super cool. And I think I'm gonna save a lot of money over time with this, because these tablets are like $2 each, and I mean, look how big these bottles are. Ooh. I think the only one I could see us spending like a lot of money on, well, not a lot of money, but like getting more tablets with, is the multi-surface, because we use multi-surface spray like literally every day. And the hand soap, but honestly we're not home like a ton, and we use the hand soap in the bathroom more. This one's gonna go in our kitchen, so I'm not sure, but $2, like even like most products at the store are like $3 or $4, so even just with one tablet you're saving money over time. So I'm a big fan already. I can't wait to try them all. And now that I've officially filmed this video, I can go start testing them out. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy seeing me unbox my Blueland sustainable cleaning products. If you did enjoy, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, if you do want to see me try them out and open the tablets and everything else, please be sure to subscribe so you can see any future videos where I do try the products and get future sustainable products as well. I'm trying to be a very sustainable house, so we shall see how that goes. Oh, I did want to say, these are a really great product for apartments, because in every apartment I've lived in, there has not been recycling. So I think that it's super nice to have these products, because I think it helps contribute to a lot less plastic waste. And also, it's a little bit less storage than having to carry like a whole bunch of different bottles and everything else. So I'm a big fan for apartments especially as well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are having a wonderful week and staying safe and healthy in quarantine. And I will see you on Thursday with a new vlog and on Wednesday with a new podcast. Bye!